Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Puru's Trading Academy. Today we'll see one more strategy. It's a directional butterfly. Actually, most of the time, generally the people they use the butterfly as a non-directional strategies. Okay, mainly I have to explain the butterfly strategy. Okay, mainly we can create these butterflies either non-directional as well as directional ways. Today I'll be explaining my real trades. Okay, this particular strategy I have deployed yesterday on 8th May at 10:43. Now these are all the reference logs I can able to show over here. The reference log is this. Actually I have deployed this strategy around 10:43. You can see the price of around 216.7, 95.95 and 36.7, 36.45, 75 buy quantity, 150 sell quantity and 75 buy quantity. Now very simple, the butterfly strategy look like in this fashion. The price is also matching same. Okay, by using this particular strategy, market yesterday it was around 22,325. market is around this level. Actually the market was stayed at around 22,300, but today the market was drastically fall down around 300 points. But I was anticipated yesterday only the market will fall, mainly based on this price action technique. Mainly you can see this is forming around it's forming like a M pattern. I think based on the pattern, this is very simple. It's an M pattern. This is M pattern. You can see this is an M pattern, right? By using this particular technique, I have developed a put butterfly. Actually this one is a put butterfly. Mainly in this particular strategy there will be a inside buy and one outside buy, and one more is at little in between these two strike. Mainly this particular strategy I've used for directional movement capture, because yesterday only I anticipated this fall. Now based on that, even it fails also, this particular strategy will give peace of mind, and even the adjustment of butterfly strategy is very easy. Mainly this particular strategy, risk reward wise, it's very great. You can see risk is around 4,500 and reward is around 18,000, means almost 1:4 risk reward. Now this is an added benefit with respect to the this particular strategy. Now actually even I have booked the profit of that particular the directional butterfly today. These are all the trading log. I have booked the profit today. Mainly there was a fall. I have anticipated the market will fall up to 22,000. Almost the market fell till 21,953. Even you can see the log also. The time, the 2:43 today, 2:43. You can see around 2:43 I have booked the profit. 150 lots buy and 75 buy bought leg I sold it of the price around 132, 283 and 47.11. Now likewise we can able to capture this kind of movement by using butterflies. Okay, in this particular strategy, not only this, even there will be a theta decay advantage also. If I reset this price, I want to reset. You see today we had around 3% on deployed capital, but it is more than that, because the deployed capital requirement would be around 60,000, but fund required would be 85. After one day, that remaining 25,000 credit will be around 18,000 credit. They will give it back to us. Based on this, you can manage this particular strategy very easily. But today, because of this major fall, I have booked the profit and come out from the trade with peaceful of mind. Tomorrow I can deploy one more strategy based on the support and resistance. You can see very clear support and resistance has formed. The last video also I explained this kind of the momentum can be captured by using a different kind of the either debit spread or butterflies or any kind of strategies we can use, and we can able to capture this kind of movements with ease. I hope you have learnt some kind of the live trade logic, how exactly I have deployed this particular strategy with a peace of mind, because even overnight it is completely hedged on both sides. Overnight risk also is very minimal. Even if goes against to our trend also, no issues, easily we can monitor and we can adjust this. You can see the on Friday it is almost if I move on to the Friday it is moving it, then again if I move on to the Monday, the blue line will be shifting too much up, so that there will be huge profit. Even the theta decay advantage will be very huge, especially with respect to the butterfly strategy. I think you learned some new concept with respect to this the managing of butterflies with the proper adjustments and all. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you all.